Now let me show you how to create a folder with content. To do so, we have a two-step approach. First, let's upload a file into the cloud. By doing so, we are not storing the blob under the content metadata service, but rather in the content storage service. If you review our product documentation, you will notice that both content metadata service and content storage service are deeply integrated. So let's upload a file and start using this content storage service. Note now you've gotten a blob ID. And this blob ID is necessary for the next step, which is coming in a second. Now, we will create a file instance in CMS and refer to the file we previously updated using content metadata services. In this example, we are creating a file instance from SOP type. Our file is called training SOP timestamp, and we also have the description and the properties which were defined when we created the type. The important part comes under renditions, as this is the place where we tell CMS which file in CSS is connected to this CMS object. So the example here points to the blob ID I referred to previously. So if we send this request, we will then find the file object. And that is how you create a file instance with content.